Fabian Kiessling. Fabian Kiessling August 16, 1972 in Mannheim is a German radiologist, university lecturer and author, as well as a scientist in the field of molecular imaging. Academic career. Fabian Kiessling graduated high school in 1992 in Heidelberg and studied medicine at Heidelberg University. After his elective period at the district hospital in Schwetzingen, he completed his studies with the second state examination and was awarded his doctorate in 2001 in internal medicine. From 2001 he worked in the Department of Oncological Diagnostics and Therapy at the German Cancer Research Center DKFC in Heidelberg and stayed there as an intern until 2002. In 2003 he moved to the Department of Oncology at the Thorax Clinic Heidelberg and in parallel became head of the Molecular Diagnostics Group in the Department of Medical Physics in Radiology at the DKFC. In 2006, he became the junior group leader for molecular imaging at the DKFC and habilitated in experimental radiology at the Heidelberg University. 2007 he completed his education as a medical specialist in diagnostic radiology. In March 2008 he was appointed as full professor and director of the Institute for Experimental Molecular Imaging XMI at RWTH Aachen Rheinisch-Westfälische Technische Hochschule Aachen. He is also one of the directors of the RWTH Helmholtz Institute for Biomedical Engineering. Boards and chairs. 2005-2012 Speaker of the Section Molecular Imaging of the Working Group Methodology and Research of the Deutsche Röntgengesellschaft. 2008-2012 Chairman of the above-mentioned working group. 2012 onwards served in the Council of European Society for Molecular Imaging (ESMI). 2014-2015 Chairman of the Molecular Imaging Subcommittee of the European Society of Radiology. 2016 Program Chair of the World Molecular Imaging Congress in New York. 2018 Member of the Board of Trustees of the World and Molecular Imaging Society WMIS. Research. The research of Fabian Kiessling focuses on the development of new imaging methods and probes, with a particular focus on oncology and diseases that go along with angiogenesis and vascular remodeling. He worked on the imaging technique volumetric area detector computed tomography and published a new ultrasound technique motion model ultrasound localization microscopy together with his colleague Georg Schmitz. The ultrasound technique was preclinically tested and used in a first clinical application. Both methods allow non-invasive imaging of hair-thin blood vessels in tumors and other tissues. In his translational research, imaging-guided therapy plays an important role, including the investigation of biological barriers for drug delivery and the development of strategies to overcome these barriers by the use of nanomedicines, drug delivery systems, and other therapeutics. Awards. 2006 Dr. Emil Salzer Prize. 2006 Richardson-Hayne Prize. Honors. 2020 he became a Fellow of the World Molecular Imaging Society WMIS https://www.wmis.org/about-us/fellows/. Selected publications. Books edited. Fabian Kiessling, Bernd J. Pichler ed. Small Animal Imaging. Basics and Practical Guide. Springer, Berlin 2011, ISBN 978-3642-12944-5. Frock Alves, Fabian Kiessling ed. Optical Molecular Imaging equals Comprehensive Biomedical Physics. Vol. 4. Elsevier, 2014. ISBN 978-0444-63337-8. Fabian Kiessling, Bernd J. Pichler P. Hoff ed. Small Animal Imaging. Basics and Practical Guide. 2nd ed. Springer Nature, 2017. ISBN 978-319-42208. Ottmar Skober, Fabian Kiessling, Jurgen Devis ed. Molecular Imaging in Oncology. 2nd ed. Springer Nature, 2020. ISBN 978-330-42618-7. Most cited peer-reviewed journal articles. T. Lammers, F. Kiessling, W. Henning, G. Storm/Drug Targeting to Tumors, Principles, Pitfalls, and Preclinical Progress. Journal of Controlled Release 161 2, 175 187 2012. According to Google Scholar, it has been cited 1116 times. https://scholar. Google. /citations. User equals 4 UIFBQAUJ and HL equals D and OI equals our Google Scholar author page, accessed Nav. 23/2020. T. Lammers, S. Aim, W. Henning, G. Storm, F. Kiessling. Theranostic Nanomedicine. Accounts of Chemical Research 4410, 1029, 1038, 2011. According to Google Scholar, this article has been cited 734 times.